Municipal Court Judge Melissa Byrnes speaks to the Las Cruces City Council in a work session and gives them a tour of the Municipal Court building. Constructed in 1917, she says the building is the biggest reason why people wait in long lines to see her most mornings.
The facility itself does provide a barrier to people's access to our services, and I believe that was addressed or discussed how to resolve that.
Byrnes says the building doesn't provide enough space, and there are only 3 service windows available for people waiting in line. Several options were discussed to improve the situation, including this one from Las Cruces Mayor Ken Miyagishima.
So we could maybe build that building or retrofit it to the point where we could actually lease out a good portion of it, bring in a fair amount of income to help offset the costs of other operations in the city, and move municipal court over to maybe perhaps where the old city hall is.
Byrnes seems open to all options, even staying in the building, and relocating 3 other agency offices so the municipal court can use the entire building.
And whether it be potentially a new building or whether it be a relocation of the 3 agencies that exist in that building that do not relate to the municipal court services, possibility of them being relocated, and I'm eager to address how this entire building can be retrofitted to our needs.
However, she says she won't allow people to schedule initial court appearances to try and cut down on wait times.
Well, no, it does not work. The municipal court about 12 years ago had an arrangement with the other presiding judge where people would schedule an arraignment time, and we're not able to accommodate that type of scheduling because it's inconsistent with the principles of court administration through the National Center of State Courts.
One observation District Number 2 City Council member Dolores Connor made on her tour of the municipal court is they don't use an automated system. Everything is still done shuffling papers around.
Because they were leaving the front window to go to a back room to go get the papers from the back room and then come back. If they could do that all at a terminal right there at their window, it would expedite the way the people vote.
Connor says digitalizing most documents at the court may be the way to cut down on wait times until a permanent solution is reached. Judge Melissa Byrnes says she's optimistic they'll find a solution, maybe even adding an afternoon court session. She says she looks forward to scheduling another work session with the City Council. For KRWG, I'm Jared Anderson.